Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 15 problem search in a binary search tree. Please like the video and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any update. Given the root node of a binary search tree and a value, you need to find the node in the BST that has the value equal to the given value. You need to return the subtree rooted with that node. If no such node exists, you should return null. Let's take this tree and the value to be searched is 2. For this example, the output will be a subtree with root node 2. If instead of 2 we were to search 5, the output would have been null as there is no node with value 5. If root is null, simply return null. If value of root is equals to value to be searched, it means we have found the node and so we return root. Otherwise, we recursively search value in left and right subtree using the property of binary tree. If value to be searched is less than value at root, then we search in the left subtree. Else we search in the right subtree. Let's see it with an example. Let's check the same tree. For the reference, let's keep the conditions handy. Starting with the root node as the value is not null and its value is not the intended value, we see if the value is less than root. As it is, we search in the left subtree, so our root now becomes 2. We again see that root is not null. But this time the value is equal to the value we are searching for. So we return the node, which in turn returns the subtree with root 2. Now let's try to search for 5. We will again start with the root node and as it is not null, we see it is not the node we were searching. We will search the subtree. We check if the value is less than the value of root. As it is not, we search the right subtree. So the root now becomes 7. We will perform the same checks again. As the root is not null and also it is not the value we were searching for, we go to the left as the value is smaller than root. As it is a leaf node, our root becomes null. As the root is null, we return null. The time complexity for this algorithm is O of log n, while the space complexity is O of 1. Here is the actual code snippet from the method. Also check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video.